built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm system will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. The 10 a.m. observations. In Charlottesville, cloudy skies. Monday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Highs in the mid-50s. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Highs around 60. Marine forecast. Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to New Point Comfort, Virginia. Small craft advised.
Here we go.
God, those are long emitters.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, okay. Okay. It activated.
Nice.
There is a threat of severe weather. The test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order.
Yes.
This has been a test. Marine forecast. Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to New Point Comfort, Virginia.
Alrighty.
That was done.
Alrighty.
Camera too.
Yep. I'm still recording.
Nice. What we could do,